Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm giving you a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to create your own website using Google Sites and for free. We will cover everything from creating a blank site to customizing themes, adding content, embedding image and videos, and finally publishing your site with a custom domain. So let's get started, but before that, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. Now let's get started. To begin, simply head over to sites.google.com and then log into your Google Sites. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Google Sites. Now let's get started to the main steps. Now here you can see some pre-made templates right here from template gallery. You can see some pre-made templates, and if you wish to, you can just start from the scratch by clicking onto blank. This basically starts from scratch. At the top of your blank, you can enter the title right here. For example, I'm gonna enter the title of something like venomous. Wait. Okay. Now you can also add your brand logo if you wish to, which will automatically appear on every page. Just click the logo area and upload your image. Here you can upload also images. You can add image to your Google Sites easily. Okay, let's delete this image and add another image. Okay, this one is nice. Let's copy this and add this to here, and this is how you can copy and add them to your PC. So this is how you can add images to your Google Sites if you have not created a logo yet. No worries, you can just type your site name for now, okay? Name right here. And you can upload your logo if you wish to from here by clicking on this. Then you have to open. Easy steps. Here you can see this will appear on every page. If now let's move forward to the next step, which is let's give the site some personality. Okay, on the right hand side you can click on themes. At the top right corner you can see this option called themes. Tap on the theme, and now you can choose from Google's built-in themes QR, or you can create your own custom themes. You can choose Google's built-in themes if you wish to. Also you can upload your custom themes according to your wish. Also you can upload from your browser files also. Okay, let's get the theme. This color is pretty much nice. Let me change this one. Okay, let's upload something. Upload this image. Okay, let's upload this image. Okay, now you can customize your fonts also. Let me show you. You can see this. You have to choose the text here, and here you can see this calling monster at something like that. You just have to tap onto this option, the second option, then you can add custom titles. So you can just add one. As you can see, the font is now changed. Now let's say you want it to bold, then you can enter B, like press this B option and it will be bold. And you can also make it italic if you wish to, like this, and you can also underline on it, but this does not look good, so I'm going to remove it. And on the A you can choose the text color from here. Let's change it to something else. Okay, let's choose it to this. Now let's increase the size of it. Wait. Okay, now all your pages will follow this cohesive design. without needing to adjust colors and fonts manually. Now you can click on the header section at the top of the page. You can see this option. You can either delete the header from by clicking it. Let me recover it again. Also, you can customize it if you wish to. You can upload your header image. If you want to change it, you can simply tap on the image and then tap upload. You can upload it. And if you want to change its color like your header type, then you can choose it, like banner type or title only, or large banner or cover. But large banner is perfect, I guess. So Google Sites usually use a grid layout, which makes it super easy to align and position your elements accurately. Now click on Insert tab on the right. Mm, and you can add images and also various things, as I just told you. Here you can see you can add text box, images. You can also use to embed your link with text or image. For example, I'm gonna embed a link with this image. Then you have to enter your link here and then tap insert, and it will be merged with the image. So this is how you can do it. And you can also upload from driver, Google Driver, and you can also check out all of these options from here. For example, you can check out YouTube also if you wish to. So this is how you can use Google Calendar. You can use this Google Sites easily. Now tap on to publish, then choose your web address to publish it to the website, and you can also tap on request public search engines to not display my site if you wish to. And you can also tap on this three dot icon. You can check out all these, and by clicking on settings you can get some analytics and brand images from here. Now let me show you how to share your Google Sites. Tap onto this human and plus icon, tapping onto it, and there you go. Here you can see this option like public. Set it to public to make it visible for everyone. You can restrict it if you wish to. Also you can edit it to remove the link. Now that's it. Tap on to done. You have to copy the link of this site and then paste it to or send it to anyone you wish to share it. So that was it, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section that what videos you want to see in the next time. Till then, take care and goodbye. As was always, I will meet you in the next video. Goodbye.